Well, here I am in Oldway Mansion Gardens. As you can see, there's the lakes here. Look, there's a sign there that says newts are toxic to dogs, so they don't recommend dogs go in there to swim because they might eat the newts. And some lovely birds there. We'll have a wander up through and then look at the mansion. I used to walk through here when I was at primary school. Oldway Primary School is just over there where that lady just walked past. So I won't film over there. But yeah, the lakes are lovely. They're doing a lot of work here at the moment, as you can see with the dumpy bag here. Doing the gardens, maintaining the gardens by, there's a voluntary group that maintain the gardens. I'll wander down this way, I think. More lake here, pond, lake, whatever you like to call it. Got to be careful because there's people here as well. There's some caves over there on the right hand side. They've all been fenced off because they're too dangerous. People must have been going inside them to play, I suppose, but they're all fenced off. Look. So I'll just stop filming now and then we'll catch up again in a minute. Well, here I am at the top of the steps I just walked up, and there's a bit out of breath actually. The fencing is here. This is obviously above where the caves are, which they fenced off because it's too dangerous. Looks like it might have had a few rock falls over the years. Up here is all fir trees, and there's some tennis courts over there. Popular here for tennis in the summer. I can remember coming home from school in the early 70s and they were filming a Galaxy chocolate advert somewhere around here with these trees. Beautiful gardens here, always kept nice. Credit to the Friends of Oldway Gardens, I think they're called, who maintain these gardens free of charge. As you can see, they're beautifully maintained. It's like a little garden over there where my finger is, like a maze. I'll show you that one from above it. As you can see in the distance, there's loads of scaffolding up front. They're doing something to the roof, doing some essential repairs. If you stay with me, you'll see I'll show put the drone up in a little while, and you can see the whole of the mansion from the air, 360 degree. Used to hold loads of weddings here. Beautiful location for weddings when the sun's out, the weather's nice. I don't know what this area used to be used for. For those of you who don't know anything about Oldway Mansion, it used to be owned by the Singer family, Singer sewing machine family, based on some mansion in palace in France somewhere. I'll have to have a look up in the details of that and find out where it was based on that, the design. But as you can see, I can't go any further than the white fence at the moment, because like I said, they're doing some work on the roof. There's what I was talking about just now, about looks like a maze, but it's not really a maze. It's too small for a maze. It's all ornate, beautifully done. This has always been here for as long as I can remember. And like I said, I used to go to school at Oldway Primary School, which is just further than the edge of them trees there. And this was always here then. I used to walk through on the way home from school. Beautiful. You can see the tennis courts down there. I think the ones over this side aren't used anymore. No call for them. So they're just left to grow. But the ones down here look alright. They look quite good. And there's a bowls club further over in the direction of the camera now. Can't see it from here. But there you go, there's Oldway Mansion as it is at the moment, being repaired, renovated. It's so sad to see it in such a state. Absolutely beautiful building. Anyway, let's put the drone up and give you a 360-degree aerial view. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell for notifications. We need subscribers. It's free of charge, just hit that subscribe button. They should call it follow really, because you don't have to pay anything, it's totally free. Anyway, there you go, there's Oldway Mansion from the ground. Now let's go and have a look at it from the air.